Hi, Ken Renner with Cascade Hassan Sotheby's International Realty, and we are so excited for you to see our new listing at 683 Northwest Silver Buckle in Bend, Oregon. Let's take a look inside. The focal point of this home is the circular great room with exposed wood beams, wood-burning stone fireplace, Berber carpet, and floor-to-ceiling windows to soak up the incredible views and sounds of the rushing river. The kitchen has been completely updated with new appliances, cherry wood cabinets, and dramatic black granite counters. The spacious primary suite features a gas fireplace, skylights, direct deck access, and a fully remodeled bath with heated floors and clever storage. There is also a well-appointed office with built-in bookcase, deck, and room for a sofa when you need a break. Outside the home, you'll find an expansive 2,520 square foot deck with multiple seating areas that will quickly become your favorite place to enjoy the spectacular Central Oregon weather while entertaining family and friends. Also included with this property is a one-bedroom, one-bath, 528 square foot ADU/guest house with kitchen and living area, perfect for guests or additional rental income. You've got to see this distinctive home in person, so reach out to us today to schedule an appointment.